Con los terroristas.
I'm in the booth dressed like a polar bear, going ham, feeling like Riff Raff the way I'm rapping. Happy.
Then do the Harlem
You know since you nuisance, you niggas need nuisance, shut deuces, pack boozes, is what I chooses to call you sons, you want juices. Like Judas and Gooses, I do you in crucifixion. I'm sick bitten like mucus until I'm reaching my mission. I'm the undefeated champion, sleep on me with an ambient, like 4, 5 pillows, some NyQuil and a lambskin. I'm hotter than a sauna, little mama, can you dig it? I've been spitting since the minute that I came out with my twin, and I'ma keep winning, and I'ma keep shining. And if a nigga got beef, then it's top rhyming. Cause he a noodle brain nigga, just to think that he a killer. I'm a killer monster, and I'm finna conquer. Wow.
Shift my hips, left to the right. Ayy, this shake look better in the light. You can sip if you like. Chocolate deluxe, taste yummy on the tongue, got your honey on the hunt. Got your hubby in the front, what about the bucks? It was never about the lust. The